In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Carousell app on Android. If you're looking for a simple way to buy and sell items like phones, clothes, furniture, and more, Carousell is a great place to start. It's free, it's popular across many regions, and it's designed to make local buying and selling fast and convenient. I'll walk you through downloading it from the Google Play Store, which is the recommended and safest way to get the app on your device. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. The icon looks like a multicolored play button. If you don't see it right away, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open your full list of apps and use the search bar at the top to type Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet, ideally over Wi-Fi for a quicker download, and signed in to a Google account so the installation can proceed smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Carousell. Spelling and capitalization don't need to be perfect. The store's search will usually figure it out. After you type the name, pause for a moment to let the suggestions load, or tap the search key on your keyboard to see the full results page. Now look for the listing titled Carousell, Sell and Buy. This is the official app you want. On the results screen, confirm the title matches exactly and that it appears in the shopping category with a strong rating and a high number of downloads. This helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're getting the legitimate version. Tap Install to begin. If you're low on storage, consider deleting unused files or apps first. The download size can vary by device, and the exact time it takes will depend on your connection speed. If you see an update button instead of install, that means the app is already on your phone and just needs the latest version. Wait for the download and installation to finish, then tap Open. The app will launch right away. From here, you can browse listings, explore categories like electronics or home goods, and get a feel for how the marketplace works. Because the app is free, you can take your time exploring without any upfront cost. That's it. Quick, safe, and easy. If this was helpful, go ahead and open Carousell now and start discovering great deals or listing items you no longer need. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.